Okay, so you have the piece here. You're just gonna put on the Teflon. Oh no, I'm talking to the camera. You put on Teflon. That'll be like clockwise. Five turns. Then you put the thread sealant. Let me show you don't cross thread it. Let me see. Oh, give me the blue flyer, the blue channel lock. You know where it is? It's on the table. It's a blue channel lock. I'll do it. Let's give it a snug until it stops spinning. That should be it. You take your 12-inch, just screw it in. What happened the other time was a little okay, let me have to. Oh, did I record it? Oh, it's recording. It's recording. Okay. Just tighten it down. This is better, this copper one.
Yeah.
Doesn't pop. I'm putting this cap here. So okay. I just gotta get some screws. Always get the right height water heater because the flute and everything fits. So it's just this thing I had a little problem with. Usually I don't have problem with it. But like I said, they changed the manufacturer. So Home Depot don't use GE, they use Rheem now. So, but if I was to buy a GE, it'll fit perfect. That's gonna hold it in. Yeah, this one here is you press and you click. You take this out. This is brand new, see? Not a scratch, this is a clicker. Just press it, it clicks. So you want to put it on pilot. That'll be on pilot mode. You hold it down. This is the clicker here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.